In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to reinstall or add Microsoft Print to PDF printer in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. In order to reinstall your Microsoft Print to PDF, just navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Settings. Here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane and find for an option called Bluetooth and Devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, you need to proceed to devices. And at the devices settings, you need to scroll down, okay? And find for an option called related settings. And there you can see more devices and printer settings. Now click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to open this window where it contains all of the list of devices or printers that are being installed here in your Windows. Just select your Microsoft Print to PDF, make a right click, and then click on Remove Device. Once you've removed that, you need to close the window and then proceed to the search box here. And this time, please type for panel. Once done typing, please wait until you can see a best match in this window. And once it's here, please navigate to the right side and click on the open to proceed. Here at the control panel, you need to proceed to an option which is the programs and features. So by that, you need to navigate to the programs and there you can see programs and features. Click on that one. And here you need to navigate to the left pane. You can see the turned Windows features on or off. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you'd be able to open this window where here you need to find for Microsoft Print to PDF. So here you need to uncheck it and click on OK. Wait until the process to be done. And once you are done, restart your computer. And once you've restarted it, you need to navigate the same steps, and that is to open your programs and features again. In my case, I don't want to. Just have to follow the steps. Okay, that's what I'm saying here. Then you need to open again your control panel. There you can see programs and features. Open it. Navigate to the Windows features and where you can turn on or turn it off. And check the box here and click on OK. In that way, you'd be able to reinstall or add your Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.